is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of A Dad. You guys remember this clip? Let's see if there's damage. Oh no. Well, today we're gonna fix that. Metal scraper sharp. Scrape this hair off right here. I'm going to keep trying to scrape everything front to back while I do this. Just wherever the scratches go through the base and into the rail, and it leaves some sharp pieces on the rail, I want to get those off so that as I'm running my iron and my scraper, I'm not hitting it and scratching the iron and or messing up my scrapers. Gonna hit it with a little of this base cleaner in the areas where I'm gonna try to drop plastic. Don't really care about the whole board yet. But I need to get all of the wax out of these grooves, all the dirt, all the oil, whatever's in these grooves that I'm going to drop molten plastic into. I need that to bond to everything, so everything has to be really clean. Okay, so that Dakine Super Tune kit that I bought came with two Ptex candles, a white one and a black one. We actually don't need the white one, do we? Black one. So now I'm going to light this thing on fire, and as it gets on fire, I'm going to use this paper plate to catch my drips. Warning, I left this thing burn too long, drip, 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 and a whole glob of it fell off, stuck to a base, kind of messed the base up, one of my first ones. So I am going to start this on fire, and we are going to start dripping it in this groove right here. Sorry, this stuff gives me a terrible headache. I need to have that fan running while I do this in here. Fan sounds terrible. My safety over your audio enjoyment. When it's lit, I keep kind of turning it because the end that's lit will bend down. Here we go. Getting a lot of hand right there. So I'm going to let it kind of harden back up and I'll relight it. So you guys can see how my drips are filling this crack. Look at that. Let's go for a relight. This is a long one. Okay, we'll give that another. That thing bend back down to straight, but don't fall off and get us. That's been drying for about a half hour. See how it scrapes. I hope all my practice that I've got on the older boards carries over today to this. The board's brand new, and I want this to be my daily rider. I'm already having to do a repair like this. There they are. And the big one is right here. This thing, one more quick base clean. We're gonna be ready to put wax on it. Ooh, she's clean. I think that does it. Ptex repair. It's not perfect, but I'm getting better and better at them. Heck yeah. Okay, let's wax this thing. Wax dripped. Let's spread it. Boom, done. Mountain opens in 45 minutes. Let's go. She looks good. Here we are. Look at that. And the rail ones. This one's pretty good. Well, not good as new, but pretty close. Yeah. I like it. I can still feel that one, the big one, a little bit, but she feels good. Thank you guys for tuning into this episode of A Doodadad. We are Ptex, repaired and waxed. Make sure if you're doing this Ptex at home, be in a ventilated area. This thing has given me severe headaches, even to the point of vomiting. That's why we have an exhaust fan now. But man, good luck, guys. Taking care of your own equipment. But mountain opens 30 minutes. I need to get up there, so we will see you guys on the next one. Thank you.